Hey guys, welcome to Quiqtips, where we try and teach important stuff fast. There's so many tutorials out there on YouTube, no one has time to watch them all. They're all super long, so I try and keep mine short so that you can get all of the information in a hurry. And if you need to, if I'm not going fast enough, even skip through it. That's totally fine. What I care about is helping you increase your speed as you work through all these different apps and improve as a designer or as an illustrator, as an artist. So let's talk about the client triangle for a second. Every client adheres to this to some degree or another without even knowing it. They want all of these things. They want good quality, they want it fast, and they want it cheap. What they don't know a lot of the time is they can really only pick two. As a designer, as an artist, you don't want your quality to suffer. You obviously want to get paid. And so sometimes speed can kind of take a back seat, and you might end up charging or taking longer on projects because you really want to make sure that the client likes it and they get their money's worth. I don't think you have to give up speed. In fact, I think you can kind of bump all of these up at the same time. Sure, you might only have to pick two, but it doesn't mean speed has to suffer. So the whole idea is, let's teach you ways that you can speed up your workflow, speed up your knowledge of the programs so that you're able to deliver good quality results, and you can hopefully charge more in the future as you move forward. So why choose Quiqtips? Well, we want to make sure that you're able to deliver on all aspects of that triangle. We want to make sure that your quality is good. You know your stuff. You're able to use your tools to the best of your ability to create nice, good work that's portfolio worthy. We want to make sure that you can move quickly through it. You know how best to work, the best practices, and the best workflow for you. We want to make sure you can charge a decent amount of money. We want to make sure that everyone's enjoying what they're doing and not stressing about the money. So with that, let's jump right in.